All right, this is it. Housekeeping for week 7. For day 1, I need you, for your participation grade, to email me and tell me how many of each bug were in Bernie and Diane's collection. We did this in the video, so just tell me ladybugs, grasshoppers, and crickets for each one of them. So there should be, Bernie has this many, Diane has this many. So tell me those. It's just a quick email, no big deal. And then for the homework, I want you to do the bug collections. Number 5 and 9, all of the questions. So that's a total of 8 problems on there. They're not tough, but you will have to kind of pay attention to some of them. Be careful of the wording, okay? As a reminder, you should be finished reading the chapters from last week. As you noticed on test 1, I do put some test questions over the reading. Now over test 1, I was very nice, and I actually walked you through the important stuff out of chapters 1 and 2 that was on the test. I haven't talked about the book this time, so hopefully you're reading and paying attention and you're good with the content that's in there. Let me know if you have questions. The other thing is you need to be getting your algebra tiles together. I mentioned this a few weeks ago. I mentioned it at the beginning of the semester. You are going to, for week test 3, so exam 3, is the video exam. I'm going to send you individually a set of problems that you're going to need to work out using algebra tiles. And you're going to need to videotape yourself. I know, videotaping yourself stinks. I do it with you guys all the time now. So videotape yourself working through those problems using the algebra tiles. We'll go through algebra tiles in the next few weeks, but I just want you to go ahead, purchase the algebra tiles, or if you're on campus in Commerce, or some of your school districts, if you're a teacher's aide or something like that, might actually have the Ellison letter presses that we can cut those out using foam or construction paper, or you can make your own by hand, or you can purchase them from Amazon. I think I saw a set for like $3 or something like that. They're not very expensive. You can get the plastic ones, you can get the foam ones, whatever. So just have a set of algebra tiles available that you can use and follow along with me on the videos, and then teach yourself how to use some of them. We're going to have homeworks on it, and then the exam number 3, you're going to do some problems using your algebra tiles and email it to me, or load it up in D2L. We'll see how that goes. Test number 2 is in 2 weeks. I will open it up in 2 weeks. Looking at your syllabus, those dates for week 9 are October 22nd through October 26th. I'm pretty sure that's homecoming week, you guys. I know it is now that I think about it. So if you're, involved in any of that stuff, you might not want to wait until Friday to take the test. Be sure you make appointments with your testing centers if you're not in Commerce. If you're in Commerce, just come on to the ATC, no problem. I will use the same rules that I used last time. If you told me that you're testing at a different testing center, then I will use that testing center for you unless you tell me not to. So I know there are 2 of you in Corsicana and 1 in Kaufman that were testing there with those people. If you're good with that, I'm good with that, and that's just how I'll go. But if you need to change your arrangements, let me know. Everybody else tested in Commerce, so I'm going to assume that you're going to still be here in Commerce unless you tell me otherwise. So if you're going to change, please change by the end of next week. So, well, not even the end of next week. Wednesday of next week, just like I did last time, so that I have time to plan ahead and talk to the testing centers and all that. Because I'll do the same thing. I'll open it on Monday. That's October 22nd. And I'll close it on Friday, October 26th. So you can take it any time during that week you want to take it. So go ahead and plan for that. Let me know if you changed anything. Otherwise, I'm going with what we did on test 1. And then for day 2, your participation, you need to email me the solution to the balanced logic number 10. It should tell me how many greens was a blue, or I'm sorry, how many blues was 1 green, how many yellows are 1 green. Okay, so send me that solution, again, in an email. Just wham, bam, done, no big deal. Send me that, you're done. You got participation for watching the videos or doing it yourself. That's fine too. If you don't want to listen to me, just do it yourself and send me the solution. Okay, and then your homework is balance logic 12 and 13, and the seesaw balance is 3 and 5. So I'm going to actually upload a big packet that has all of these in it, the balance logics and the seesaws, and then you can pick through. You only need to do 12 and 13 and 3 and 5. So the others will be like things that I did with you here in the last videos, or things that I just think you might be interested in doing them. So there you go. That's the week. Let me know if you have any problems. Come see me if you're in the area, or send me an email. Y'all have a great week. Thank you.